To do this trend on TikTok, you have to download Restyle application from Play Store. I have already downloaded this application. After downloading, open this application. Cancel this page. Now slide up and click on Draw Photo Restyle. Now add your photo from gallery. Now your photo is ready. You can click on Retry to apply more effects to your photo. Now save this photo to your gallery. Now after this, click on the link given below in the description. After clicking the link, you will be directed to this page. Now click on Use Template in CapCut. Now click on Use Template and add your photos. First add the edited photo and then the original photo. And then click on Preview. Now check your video. Now export your video. Now to add audio, go back to New Project and add the same video. Now click on Add Audio and then add your audio. If you don't have the audio, you can get the one I'm using from link given below in the description. Now check your video and export. Now you're ready to share. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.